Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup smart property data with Ring easy tutorial step by step clearly. To begin backing up your smart property data with Ring, first, ensure that your Ring device is properly set up and connected to the internet. Open the Ring app on your smartphone or tablet. Log into your Ring account using your email and password. Once you're logged in, locate the menu icon, usually found in the top left corner of the screen. Tap on the menu icon to reveal a list of options. Select Devices to view all the Ring devices associated with your account. Choose the specific device for which you want to backup data. After selecting your device, look for the Device Settings option. Tap on Device Settings to access further configuration options. Scroll down to find the Backup or Data Management section. In this section, you will see available backup options for your device data. Select the backup option that suits your needs, such as cloud backup, local storage, or export data. Follow any on-screen prompts to initiate the backup process. Ensure that you have sufficient storage space if using local storage. Wait for the backup process to complete, which may take a few minutes. Once completed, a confirmation message will appear, indicating that your data has been successfully backed up. To verify the backup, navigate back to the Backup section to check your backup status. Make sure to regularly back up your data to keep your information safe. This concludes the steps for backing up your smart property data with Ring. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.